let's chat about the brand new Haven Spectre.
Oh, Jesus.
First things first.
Oh, Jesus.
Is it comfortable?
Yes.
Is it easy to set up?
Yes.
Is it cool to lay in?
Yep.
Is it really lay flat?
Yes.
Is it finally light enough to backpack with?
Yep.
Awesome. Now let's get a little more in depth. Let's take a quick look at the Spectre tarp. So that's pretty much the best use for the Spectre tarp. I'd recommend using any other hammock tarp that you can get your hands on. If you want that closer, tighter fit, the Amex Gold 10 tarp actually works pretty well. Aside from that, I've used Dutchware's wide winter tarp. You could probably use any of those square, rectangle, hex tarps, or even I've used the Hammock Gear Dyneema Palace. All great options. Moving on to the pad. Yes, it's lay flat, and it's almost the size of my couch. The Spectre pad is rated at R2. I'd give it a comfort rating of down to about 60 degrees. I also tested the True Level XL pad. The True Level XL pad is rated at R5.3. I give it a comfort rating down to about 50 degrees or so. After that, you need additional accessories to stay warm.
Accessories required.
Comparing the Spectre to a gathered end hammock or another tent is just not a fair fight. Both of those options are always going to be lighter. But what you should compare it to is probably a bridge hammock. Especially when paired with the Spectre tarp,
Accessories required.
you kind of have more of that closed off tent experience rather than the wide open hammock experience. Speaking of tents, be careful using the Spectre on the ground. The bottom's not waterproof.
Accessories required.
All right, so who's this thing for? Weekend warriors, canoe campers, bike packers, definitely overlanders, and of course, car campers. Do I recommend taking this out for backpacking? It's probably best for low mileage trips or when your pack weight isn't much of a concern. Do I recommend buying this for backpacking? Sure, why not? But understand its limitations, weight, warmth, and weather protection, unless you plan to bring your own tarp. Weight, weather, and weight, warmth, and water protection. Okay, one more time. So full disclosure, when I received my Spectre in the mail, I was very excited and found that the loop was missing for the gear sling, so I have not been able to use that part. And also, I've been one of the few people who have had issues with my zipper. And so the zipper sticks and comes undone. I've contacted Haven's customer support and they've been fantastic. By all means, they've been responsive with the emails, to the point where I even got a phone call from Derek.
Hi, I'm Derek,
The owner,
creator of the Haven tent.
who addressed my concerns and also answered questions and told me some upcoming things that they're in the works of developing right now. So that was really cool. So irregardless, yes, that's a word, of how you get outside, the most important thing is to just get outdoors. Whether you're hiking or biking or canoeing, car camping, overlanding, whatever it is, just get out, enjoy the outdoors, have fun, and most importantly, be safe.